Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will showcasing my AI project called Solar Industry AI Assistant. It's a AI power application designed to optimize rooftop solar installation by analyzing user uploaded image and predicting solar energy potential with high accuracy. This project uses advanced computer vision and AI technique to analyze rooftop and recommend the best solar panel placement. It helps improve energy output prediction and ROI planning, return on investment for homeowners and solar companies. I built this project using Python, Streamlit, and OpenCV for image processing. To get accurate sunlight and irradiance data, I integrate the PVGIS API, which provides real-time solar irradiation data for any given location. This combination allows the system to achieve over 90% accuracy in predicting solar potential. Let's break down the main features. Now we will go through the live demo of Solar Industry AI Assistant. Here you can see the user interface. It's built using Streamlit, keeping everything clean and simple. Let's start by uploading a rooftop image. Once we upload, the app automatically processes the image using OpenCV to detect usable rooftop area for solar panel placement. After that, it connects the PVGI API to fetch real-time irradiance data based on the location. You can see the predicted solar potential display here, showing how much energy this rooftop can generate. Next, ROI module, return on investment, calculates the estimate installation cost, saving and payback period, helping user understand their financial benefit clearly. And finally, the AI assistant provide automated recommendation for the best panel layout and system size, all in real time. So that's the how system work end to end, from image upload to smart solar recommendation, making solar planning faster, more accurate and fully AI driven.